Hi everyone. Well, we only thought we were through with my friend's home and helping her there. I actually traveled back there to help her put up her Christmas, and I was pleasantly surprised that she had boxed most of it up. And while I was there, I asked her if there was anything else that she needed help with. So this video that you're about to watch is going to be a summary of what we did that day, including going through some of her jewelry and organizing it, some more with the organizers that she purchased, and taking a tour of her shed, which is where we put her Christmas items. And I will probably make a trip back to her to help her with her shed, but you'll get to see what we were able to do. And yeah, let's jump into this bonus edition of helping my friend. All right, let's look in the storage shed. So let me zoom out. So our purpose today in here, and I didn't film it, was partially because there was no room. There was a very narrow path in the center, and our goal was to put up all this Christmas decor. And so what we had to do was make a little bit of room, and she made some room back here. You can see there's some empty shelves now, but she had a house fire at one time, so a lot of the stuff in here came from that. And she had all her beautiful pottery, and in this pottery it was all either on shelving or on the floor in boxes. And this is a lot of stuff right here is from the house fire that we will go through on another day. But I told her I really wanted to get her pottery off of the floor and out of boxes because it concerned me that they might break, and she had that shelving unit that was empty. So now it is pretty full of her gorgeous pottery, and they're no longer in danger of being broken off the floor. Now, all of this here is Christmas decor for outside, and she didn't put it out this year, but she had been unwell, so she's not ready to let go of it. And some of it is, you know, other decor as well. We were able to get her bottles off of the middle of the floor and at least get them up on shelves. So we didn't really do any decluttering other than some empty boxes. We really were just about getting her pottery taken care of and getting her Christmas up. So this will be another day, but I wanted to show you what we will be dealing with, but also what we did get accomplished today, which was Christmas and pottery. So we are now in her bedroom, and we are going to hang up 3 different jewelry necklace hangers that she purchased. Now, I think she got them off of Etsy, and they're different. She's eclectic and likes things different. I think she did a beautiful job selecting these. One of them kind of looks like a tree of life. The other, the one I have in my hand now, actually spins around and rotates, and it's a rose color. And then she got kind of like a black cast iron one that we decide to hang at an angle on the left. And this jewelry that we have on here, for the most part, are what she calls her more artistic pieces. And so having them hung up is like her art. Here's what I've learned about you. You love beautiful things.
Yeah.
Even if you don't have a use for them.
Oh, how'd you know that?
You can still appreciate them.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I love stuff.
And I think you see the value in everything.
Mm-hmm. Uh-huh.
But when you have so much, then it can cause stress instead of enjoyment.
Yeah.
Now, guys, we're going to unload the drawer that she has more of her personalized jewelry in, meaning it came from her brother, her mom, maybe an aunt. And so we're just unloading that drawer right now. And what I will say is thank y'all for your patience, because I really did not plan on recording this day. I had planned on helping her put her Christmas away, but she had done so much pre-work that we had extra time. And I was on my way to a little girl cousins reunion, and with the ice and snow that was coming, we had to cancel. So I didn't even bring my tripod that has the light in it. So the quality of shadows and stuff here is going to be a little bit different because I don't have that. So I just wanted y'all to be aware of it. So these items that hold the jewelry she purchased from HSN, by the way.
Put them back in.
Like your little, like these little,
Those things.
like this box is a little antique box, right? So I'd keep that. But will it fit and close?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think. Yeah.
So that might be okay. This one might be raised too. Well, no, I don't know. It's okay. Yeah. So like this box, do you want to keep the box?
You could just put the
paper
with
in
the
with it?
yeah,
Okay.
because that I inherited from that aunt.
Yeah. Are your empty boxes are going in this bag?
Yeah,
Okay.
and there's another bag out in the garage, but I need to really think of throwing them away. But this would go. I'm gonna let you. It's fun to rearrange them.
I agree.
This thing goes with.
That box is too tall. Who's
Yeah.
this?
Oh, that's my gold coin. For my husband's family.
Do you want to put it in
Mexican.
here?
Yeah.
Is that okay? That's cool. Okay, empty box. Well, what does people at church think of you coming decked out in your jewelry all the time?
I need to go and wear decked out. I sometimes barely get one necklace on. Or I get Peggy's little bracelet that she gave me from, what she's given me.
Oh, nice.
A couple of them from that. Where do you get charms? Where?
From James Avery?
Yeah.
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 This is perfect. You can see all your earrings.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Very pretty.
there are these rings. I think most of these are my mom.
Oh, awesome. I love that you get to see them.
Yeah.
Okay, these are empty.
Okay.
Get that over here where you can reach it.
You was born organized.
I
I mean, with ideas. That's the main thing, is you have ideas
you know,
to use what is available.
I actually took a test. It's called the Strength Finder book. And it highlights like 19 different strengths, and you take a test and you it tells you what your strengths are.
Uh-huh.
And one of my strengths is being able to see patterns.
Oh.
And
Oh.
yeah, so
That's wonderful.
So it's, if everybody had the same strengths, how boring would that be?
That's right. Yeah.
It would be so boring. These are all your Christmas little angel things.
Yeah.
So we can put maybe those in that treasure box over there.
Yeah, okay.
Do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a good idea. Can't remember.
You're so good at knowing gems and stones and everything. That's really nice.
Thank you. These are all antiques, so it's hard for me to let go of them. But I won't, probably, and I don't remember if this was my mom's or not.
Now, is this silver or brass, do you think? Is it tarnished?
Oh, I think it looks brass to me.
Yeah.
And it has those different hooks that you used to have that wouldn't roll on, so you'd have to use the hook. Yeah. It pops open like that. I gotta think about these for a while.
So my other question is any of that going to bring you joy?
Joy.
Are you ever going to look at them again?
No, the only thing that'll bring me joy is a little heart.
Then keep that.
Yeah.
But if you're holding on just because they're antiques, but you will never wear them.
No. Well, that's a part of it. Yeah.
Yeah.
I like antiques.
So
but
we
then, but then. The then doesn't ever come.
But what did I say? Just we can appreciate the beauty of something doesn't mean we have to own it.
No. And that box was from my mom, I think.
Absolutely keep the box. That's sentimental.
Well, that's another issue. You can't keep everything. And I need one of these.
But a garage sale find versus a pretty box from your mom.
The problem is all my garage sale is mixed up with this. And this might be my mom's too, but you have to put it over your neck. So, none of this matches. But they're interesting chains. Okay. And that's just a pretty...
this almost looks like stainless steel, or do you think it is silver?
Oh, no. I think it's stainless. Pretty sure it is. Were these popular? I'm trying to remember.
That one?
They were.
Mm-hmm. They're a little chunky. Mm-hmm. That one will hang up on your wall, I think.
Well,
if you think it was...
I don't know. I think... let's see. Isn't that interesting? But see, somebody made that.
See, this is what I said. You can see the beauty in everything. It can be a problem, but you appreciate the beauty in things.
These might have been my mom's and not mine, because they're a little more fancier than the inexpensive ones. I have a sack full of the dollar ones in there too that I probably should donate. Let's see. Dollar kind. You get in a way. I got them in a way.
So do we want to put that in your gift box then?
Yeah. Okay, so I'll put those in the gift box.
Okay.
They've never been worn.
Okay.
And yeah, these would be good donations. Somebody was interest. Even if that was my mom's, she looked pretty with it, but I'm not going to wear it.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't have any kids. So, I mean, I have nieces, but they're not going to wear it. I'm pretty positive. You too.
Do you want me to hang this one up?
Yeah.
Okay. Because that looks good on you.
And the pop beads, I have to look on the internet and see what they
That
say.
is reminding you of younger days, right?
Yeah, oh yeah, that's from being like 10.
Okay. So
And I don't know where those came from, because they're way too nice looking to be mine from 100 years ago.
and then what are these right here? I have not seen those
Oh,
before.
they're two not shined up silver bracelets. Well, there's 3. I think I decided one was my mother's, but I bought these 2. And yeah.
Do you have some of that
this was my
polishing
mother's.
cream
I
that
need,
you put on?
I might. I think I have to go buy some. I need to get that polishing cream.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And this is one of those molded ones.
It's pretty.
And I got it when I was in college.
Okay, I'm going to go put this in your gift box.
Okay.
And I'll put this in the donation box.
Okay.
You don't have anything else to add to here? What about that green necklace?
I don't know. Isn't that pretty?
It's not as pretty as all the other.
You know that's all the turquoise? What do you call that? Costume?
Yes.
That's costume. I like costume too.
Would you wear that for belly dancing?
Well, depends on the outfit. That's the hardest thing. Is you have to find necklaces to go with your outfits.
Mm-hmm.
I probably don't have anything that color, but I don't remember without looking. So I'll save it till I figure it out.
Okay.
Okay.
So do you want to put those in the box over here? Does that have room?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is,
Oh,
we just,
I'm getting it junked up. So that's
well, you know what? As long as it's contained.
okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. It's contained. It's not overflowing.
contained.
If it becomes overflowing, then we have a problem.
So nice.
She had already worked on organizing some of her other jewelry that you'll see here. Some of them are drawers that will pull out and some have lids that will lift up. And she's very happy with the way they look. She did reference she has the empty boxes out in the garage that she needs to get rid of, but she's done well. I'm proud of her. Well, thanks for this revisit of my friend's jewelry and also of her initial view of the shed after putting her Christmas away. Thank you for all the support that you've given to her over these several weeks. I greatly appreciate it, and so does she. I'm going to close like my dad always closed his voicemail messages. Bye for now.